If you're seeing a SurveyMonkey error 403, that usually means you're being blocked from accessing the survey, and the good news is that it's often something you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common reasons this happens and the exact steps you can take to get back in. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and troubleshooting guides. Let's start with the most common cause, survey permissions. First, check whether the survey is actually open and not closed. If the survey has been closed by the owner, you may see a 403 error when trying to access it. Also, make sure the survey was shared correctly. If you received a link from someone, ask the survey owner to confirm that the survey is still active and that your access is allowed. Sometimes the issue is not on your end at all, but simply a permission setting in the survey itself. Next, make sure you're using the correct link. Always open the original survey link if possible. Avoid using edited, copied, shortened, or broken URLs because even a small change in the link can cause access issues. If you got the link from an email, message, or document, try copying it again carefully or ask the owner to resend the original one. This step sounds simple, but it solves a lot of 403 errors. If that doesn't work, log out of your SurveyMonkey account and log back in again. This refreshes your account session and can clear temporary authentication problems. Sometimes your browser is still holding on to an expired login, and SurveyMonkey may reject the request because your session is no longer valid. Signing out and signing back in gives your account a fresh start. Another very common cause is a VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN, turn it off and try again. Also disable any proxy settings on your device or browser. Survey platforms often flag VPN traffic because it can look unusual or come from a restricted location. This is one of the most common reasons people run into error 403, so it's definitely worth checking early. Now let's clear your browser cache and cookies. Open your browser settings, go to the privacy or history section, and clear cached files and cookies. After that, fully restart your browser before trying the survey again. Old cookies or corrupted session data can interfere with access and cause permission errors even when everything else is working properly. A clean browser session often fixes the problem immediately. If the issue still isn't resolved, try a different browser or device. For example, if you're using Chrome, switch to Edge or Firefox. Or try opening the survey on your phone, tablet, or another computer. This helps you figure out whether the problem is related to your browser, your device, or your network. If it works in another browser, then you know the issue is probably local to the first one. The next step is to restart your internet connection or switch network. Restart your Wi-Fi router, reconnect to the internet, or try using a mobile hotspot instead of your home network. In some cases, SurveyMonkey may block or limit access from a specific IP address or network range. Changing networks can bypass that restriction and get the survey loading again. If you've gone through all of these steps, you should have a much better chance of fixing SurveyMonkey error 403. To recap, check survey permissions, use the correct original link, log out and back in, disable VPN or proxy, clear browser cache and cookies, try a different browser or device, and restart your internet or switch networks if needed. If this video helped you solve the problem, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting tutorials. And if you're still having trouble, leave a comment with what step you tried and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.